going to recite a poem. The title of the poem is Rhyme in the Night, written by Amelia Josephine Burr. Let's start. Raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get mighty because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash all the pansies' faces. Thank you friends for watching my